Hello, I'm Helen Bradley. Welcome to this video, and today we're going to learn how to draw a unicorn. Now this is the unicorn's head that we're going to draw. It's not the easiest of drawings, but I'm hoping that I can make it easy for you. So we're going to start with the unicorn's ears, and so it's going to have little pointy ears, and we're going to be able to see inside the ear. So this is the ear, and then we're going to draw the sort of front part of the unicorn's mane. Now it's going to have a little bit that flips up, and it's going to have a little bit that flips down. So we'll draw the underside of the flip here. So this is its ear and this is its mane. The next thing we're going to draw is its face. Now if you have a bit of trouble with this, you may want to do this in pencil first, and then you could go over it in pen. But we're going to start out here, and we're going to draw a little dip and then a nose for our unicorn. Now I'm going to put a piece of paper down here just to protect my ink so that I don't smudge it, but I'm using fairly light paper so I can actually see through it. So I'm going to start the unicorn's jaw here and just make a sort of round shape, and I'm going to come back in here and join up with my nose. You want it to be nice and soft and sort of rounded. Now I'm going to draw the unicorn's neck. This is the bottom part of the neck, and we're going to start to draw the top part of the neck. Now I don't want to draw all the neck. That's pretty important here because we want to do the mane. And so with the neck here, we're going to come from behind the ear, and we're just going to draw a short neck so far. Because we've only drawn a little bit of the neck, that now allows us to draw the mane in. And so the mane is going to be some nice little bumps. So I'm going to draw one bump but not finish it. I'm going to draw the next bump and not finishing that one either. And I'm going to draw a third bump, and this one's going to come around. So this is going to be the curvy part of the mane. So I'm just going to bring that in here, and I can curl that. Now I can start bringing in some extra curls if I like. And maybe, since I've got plenty of room here, I could bring a curl in from here too. At this point I can finish off that bit of the mane, and I might want to bring in some little accents here, suggesting that the mane is sort of nice and sort of bubbly and a really cute size behind here. Let's actually draw in another curl here. So our unicorn is going to have an eye, and it's also going to have a unicorn thing, the thing out of its nose. So let's start with its eye, and I'm going to draw a sort of kawaii style eye. So it's going to be a big circle, and it's going to have two circles in it, a big one and a little one. And then I'm going to color in everything that is not the circles. So this is a nice little eye with really cute highlights, and then it's going to have a nose down here, just a little nostril. And we'll finish off our unicorn with its unicorny thing. I'm not actually sure what that's called, but that's what it looks like. And we're going to add some ribs to it, so we're going to just draw those as sort of angled lines. So I think that once I've drawn my unicorn, I would want to color this in, and I would use really cute colors with it. And if I had some glitter, I would probably add some glitter as well, because unicorns and glitter just seem like they would go really well together. I hope that your unicorn is absolutely super cute and that you really love it. Please, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Click up here to subscribe to my channel, turn notifications on, and we will let you know when new videos are released. And until next time, I'm Helen Bradley. Thank you for joining me here on my YouTube channel, Learn to Draw Today.